I need flash. Where's the light? Thank you. Oh man, that was an awesome burnout. Okay. Wow. Look at this. Hold on. I gotta start at this end. Look at this. Oh, this guy is fucking awesome for lit, dude. Thank you. Yo, laying out that rubber. If you got a friggin' YouTube page, man, you'll get so many friggin' likes on this. Oh man, hold on. There's a car coming. Oh shit. Okay. Hold on. Alright, so there we go. Alright, here. Bro, your tires are screaming, but guess what? That was a sick friggin' burnout, man. Look at this thing. Oh my god. And the fucking tires are so wide. Hey man, that lift kit was awesome. Holy shit, it's still going, bro. Alright, oh shit, there's a car coming. Oh fuck. Okay, hold on. Oh, I'm so stoked still. I'm so stoked I sound like a foreigner. Okay. Oh shit. Alright, the right tire started to get grip, and there goes the left. Wow, man. Look, it's still going. He's chirping it right there. Look. Still going. Oh man. That was a sick burnout. Oh. Look, it's like... Oh, bro. I didn't get any, I didn't get your face or anything, believe me. You know, you're just a really cool guy, so I'm not gonna, point the camera in your face. You've got all anonymity. So, yeah, man. That rubber is gonna stick forever. It's gonna be there for this summer, most likely, and probably when the plows start coming again. Let's see. And it's, wow, man. It's still a little warm, too. Wow, look at all that freaking, look at this. Oh, shit. Oh, that's gonna be there for a long time, man. You left your mark. This is your signature, bro. This is your signature. I'm still fucking stoked, sounding like a foreigner. I don't even know what accent this is. Oh man, I just have an ear to ear. That's all. This makes me happy. I don't need anything else. This is awesome. It was worth missing the races to have this really cool guy lay down some rubber for a brother. All right, everyone. Have a good night.